welcome to ZA Pokemon. Alright, today as you can see, we got a Zoroark pack here with the pin, 3 packs, and this special card. And then we also got some dollar packs here as well that we are going to be opening up. And okay, careful so you don't bend the cards. So we will start with a couple dollar packs here, and then we'll move on to that shiny box.
And we can get a shiny one. And we get a shiny one. We're not getting shiny ones.
I know, we're not doing very good. Dollar packs. Do one more and then we'll open this box, okay?
And we have to do these ones, 1, 2, 3. We got 3 more.
Looking at reverse.
Then we got 3 more.
Reverse uncommon. Okay, we'll open this box and then we'll open those ones after the box, okay?
And I'm getting my pet.
You can have the pin.
I have 3 pens. The Greninja one and the Zoroark one.
Yep.
You can have 9 pins. Sounds like I got 1 pin.
Yeah. And I will give this away later in the video, so just stay tuned and I will give that out. We'll open that Mewtwo one last. So I don't remember exactly what the card trick is for these.
Yeah, a number 3 and a number 4.
Let me just double check. Okay, it is 4. What color do you think it is? Because I looked.
Water.
Water. Metal.
No, that one is that one.
And reverse Palkia.
I have that
And
Pokemon.
Shining Volcanion. Look at that. That is cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got, this is what we got out of that 1 pack. So, pretty cool. Okay, let's keep going. Let's open one of these.
And then what is this Pokemon's name? This was in our and this was in our show too, right?
Yeah, it was in the show.
No, that was in our show too. Let's go 4, 3.
3, 4. What color?
Water.
Water? Okay. Electric.
You wanted electric? Whoa! Wait.
What?
I saw that was your favorite Pokemon.
No. What is my favorite Pokemon?
I don't know.
Yveltal.
Oh my gosh! That was in our show too.
That was, yep. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Because this is pretty cool.
Yep.
We need to get another shiny. You can one after this one.
What?
I like to get another shiny. I wanted a green in the water.
Okay. Last pack here, so hopefully you can end on a really good note with the Shining Legends. Let's go. Okay, back up.
Oh, I like shiny.
What color?
Water.
Fire.
What one you wanted?
I was wanting blue.
Like me?
I always want blue.
No. Hey, we got another one like that?
Look, that was one in the videos we watched too, huh? And a Hollow Latios.
That was in our show
That's
too.
some pretty good pulls out of all these. nothing out of the dollar packs, but Shiny Legends treated us pretty well today. Pretty cool, huh?
And it gives me
and the pin. You're not to stab yourself again with it. Alright, well, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed it. And don't be afraid to leave that comment down below. And we will see you next time on ZA Pokemon.